de hormiguero. Here with me I have two fantastic musicians, Chus Gancedo and Sofía Carson. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
And you, Sofía?
I'm fine, thanks, Pablo.
Well, let's start to the interview. What do you do in your free time?
I play the drums. It's my favorite hobby.
Okay, and you, Sofía?
I like going to the cinema. My favorite film is Los Descendientes in Spanish.
I, Alonso, like music. I play the guitar. Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend?
Yes, I do. I have two little kids.
And you?
Yes, I do, but I don't have kids.
Okay. What type of drums do you use?
I have two drums, a Roland and a Leslie, but I prefer the Roland drum.
Okay. Do you have a cinema studio?
Yes, I do, and I work with Mark, Carlos, and Jay.
Okay. And you, Sofía?
I have a goal, but I will try to sing.
Okay. Thank you. Are fantastic. See you tomorrow with Westbrook. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Here we are again, but today with Russell Westbrook. Hello, Westbrook.
Hello, Pablo. I'm happy to be here.
Who pushed you to play basketball?
My size. I'm very tall, 2 or 3 meters.
What is your favorite food?
It is hamburger with tomato.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do. Her name is Sofia.
And are you daddy?
Yes, I'm 4 kids, 2 girls and 2 boys.
I know that you have a lot of money. Do you have a lot of cars?
Yes, I do. I have 4 Porsches.
Thank you, Russell. It has been a pleasure. See you next day. Bye and thanks for